Today, HomeStars profiles Toronto carpenter Victor Nichols.
My business is Victory Carpentry. Heather had an idea of what she'd like. I kind of went through it with her and then tweaked it a little bit. Those third floor floating decks are kind of interesting because you just don't know what you're going to run into.
He paid a lot of attention to detail. See how he was very careful about cutting it very nicely? And he came up with this idea himself because I was suggesting just to avoid it, but I really like the look of it. This has no screws or nails or anything like that. There's nowhere for the water to leak in. One other thing is he attached these with screws, but he also glued around each one so they're totally sturdy. He put together this table for me with a little bit of wood that was left over, which he called a bench.
I was going to build the bench actually into the deck, and she asked if it could be moved around. So I built it, and she uses it as a table.
I found him really reflective about my needs. The more I look at it, the more aesthetically pleasing I find it to be. And I've had other contractors who have not paid any attention to detail, and he was just wonderful. He came in, we talked about it, he gave me a price, and within 2 weeks the whole thing was built. It took 3 days to build it.
Heather gave Victory Carpentry a great review on HomeStars.com. We caught up with Victor at his next job in Riverdale, putting in a new kitchen for homeowner Barbara.
It's really difficult to see what other people see, you know what I mean? And then you look and you go, okay, here's what we can do, and then you kind of tweak it together, and then they're happy at the end because they got what they were looking for. What'll happen is people will say, okay, I would like a particular type of style of kitchen or whatnot in my home, and the space is not actually designed for it, so then I'll come in and make the space designed for it so the kitchen just fits in.
So I wouldn't mind taking a little bit, Eddie.
The way I pick my crews of people, punctuality, work ethic, and skill. We all work well together, we have fun, and we accomplish the job. Looks like it's going to turn out nice, so be aware that who's doing your work and is it getting subbed out. You know, there's if it's like you're hiring a particular contractor, but that contractor doesn't have time to do what he said he was going to do and subs it out to another contractor who you have no idea who they are. Really research and try to find a guy that you can have a rapport with. You could phone my clients and they would let you look at the job.